students of Karnataka Public School Kadasa, Kadasa Taluk, Chikmagalur district.
And we are studying in 9th standard. My name is Anvit.
And my name is Tejas.
My name is Prapti.
My model is very simple but very useful for every people. It is smart dustbin.
As we see that these days dustbins are unorganized because people don't make initiative to see where waste will be disposed. Fortunately, they are not branded in order to differentiate it. We have a big problem of blending waste, and so the reuse or perhaps recycle of these waste will probably be difficult, and there will be a growth of environmental pollution. And also animals in summer, they will die because of shortage of water. So to overcome these all problems, we have made a smart dustbin. The lid opens and closes automatically to avoid mosquitoes. In the other side of the dustbin, we have fixed ultrasonic sensor to detect animal stands in front of the ultrasonic sensor. Then water flows down so that animal can drink water.
Materials required to do the model are a power bank, jumper wires, a breadboard, 2 Arduinos, an ultrasonic sensor, a gear motor, a water pump motor, a relay module, a programming cable, and a laptop to do the codings. After setting up the necessary connection, upload the code to the Arduino. Once the system is powered on, the Arduino board will start monitoring for any object detection near the ultrasonic sensor. If the ultrasonic sensor detects any object, for example my hand, the Arduino board will calculate the distance. If the distance is less than the predefined value, the Arduino board will activate the gear motor. The gear motor, with the support of the extended arm, will lift the lid open, and the lid will open, and when we remove our hand, the lid will close automatically. Like this, I will show the demo now. Now let's see the mechanism of the automated water supply system. The Arduino board will read the signals from this ultrasonic sensor and triggers the Arduino board. And the Arduino board will receive the signals from the ultrasonic sensor when a predicted condition is found. For example, if the distance is less than 5 cm, the relay module will activate the water pump motor after receiving the signal from the Arduino. The water will start dispensing and the animal can drink the water, and as the animal goes away from the detection of the ultrasonic sensor, the water will stop flowing. By this automated system, the wastage of water can be stopped. The smart dustbin is a carefully designed solution to solve the social issue of waste disposal. Thus, the smart dustbin can play a major role in accomplishing a clean and green environment. Like this, I will show the demo now.
I have designed the automatically open and close the lid of the smart dustbin.
I have designed the automated water dispenser system.
I have uploaded the code to both the Arduinos.
Smart dustbins are better and shoulders above traditional garbage dustbins. It will equipped with smart sensors like sensor, Arduino, etc.
Thanks for watching video, and thanks to Guide team.